Good morning viewers. This is my sum from Pre-Stress Concrete. I am Rudrik Das. Chapter is Anchorage Zone Stress in Post-Tension Member. Now we will go through the sum question of sum. The sum is like that. Estimate the position and magnitude of the maximum transverse tensile stress, bursting tension and maximum bursting tension for the end block with a concentric anchor force of 100 kN. The end block is 100 mm wide and 200 mm deep, and the distribution plate 100 mm wide and 50 mm deep. This is a figure where you can see how the force is acting and what is the actual anchorage position and other all the surrounding portion of prism. Here you all can see that this is the actual figure. So now we will go to the solution of sum. We will first start from given data. So if we have to solve the sum, we have to use the Rouse method. Here applied compressive force Pk is equal to 100 kN. Side of the loaded punching area or side of the anchorage plate 2yp0 is equal to 50 mm. Side of the surrounding prism 2y0 is equal to 100 mm. Now we will go to the solution. So firstly we have to find out the distribution ratio. So distribution ratio is equal to yp0 by y0. So here given that yp0 is equal to 100 and y0 is equal to 50. So distribution ratio will be the 0.5. Now net area of the distribution plate. As the side of the punching or side of the plate is 100, so net area of the distribution plate will be the 100 square. Now we have to find out the average compressive stress. We will denote average compressive stress through Fc. So Fc is equal to 100 into 10 cube divided by net distribution plate area, that is 100 square. So the average compressive stress is equal to 10 Newton per mm square. Now we have to find out tensile stress, that we denote through Fb max. So Fb max is equal to Fc or average compressive stress into 0.98 minus 0.25 into yp0 by y0. The formula is taken from Zelkis and Rouse method. Through the formula or applying the formula, we will get the resultant tensile stress is 5.68 Newton per mm square. Now, acting at a distance, actually acting at a distance means the acting distance of bursting tension. So it will be the 0.5. It was the distribution ratio into side of the plate is equal to 50. So acting distance of bursting tension is equal to 25 mm end of the face. Now bursting tension. So this formula is also taken from the Zaleski and Rouse method. So we will denote bursting tension through FBST. So FBST is equal to applied force, that is Pk into 0.48 minus 0.4 into Yp0 by Y0, that is the distribution ratio. Applying this formula, we will get that the bursting tension is equal to 28000 Newton. Now we have to find out the permissible tensile stress, and the permissible tensile stress we denote through Ft. So Ft is equal to 0.285 into average compressive stress. So as because the average compressive stress we have gotten the 10 Newton per mm square, so multiplication through 0.285, the resultant permissible tensile stress will be the 2.85 Newton per mm square. Lastly, my final section, it is corrected bursting tension, or it will be the denoted through FBST corrected. So it is this formula also taken for the Zaleski and Rouse method. So FBST corrected is equal to FBST into 1 minus Ft by Fv max. Ft is equal to permissible tensile stress, and Fv max we have already gotten through this ratio square. So the resultant corrected bursting tension will be through this formula 22903 Newton. At last, thanking for watching the presentation. Hopefully you will like it. Thank you. Good morning viewers. This is my sum from pre-stress concrete. I am Rudresh Das. Chapter is anchorage zone stress in post-tension member. Now we will go through the question of sum. The sum is like that: estimate the position and magnitude of the maximum transverse tensile stress, bursting tension and maximum bursting tension